Hello friends, today we will learn conditional formatting in Excel. So I had made a table over here with names and subjects and obtained marks and percentage. Let's begin it with the conditional formatting. And first we need to select the data on which we wanted to do formatting. Formatting is just coloring the font and highlighting the cells, and for the specific cell values, that's why we are using conditions. So I go to the highlight cell rules and go to the greater than, and this is the first rule. I select the greater than and select a number. I just use 40, and you can color different types of colors are available, highlighters. You can also go for custom formatting, so provide a custom format, just coloring the font or the especially extra format cell window will open. Over here I will color the fonts by orange color font and fill the background with sky blue color. Okay, and just click on the OK. You can see here numbers are greater than 40 are highlighted over here. So select this cell again, go to the conditional formatting. First we have to clear the rules. So I am clear the rules, and again go to the another option, less than. Here again I will use 40 and select. So you can see here numbers are less than 40 are selected and highlighted over here. Clear the rule, and again go to the between. So I will select the range between 25 or 35 and 50 we can use, and just anything. Okay, select anyone. You can see here two numbers are between 35 and 50, so I highlighted. Select these cells and again go to the clear the rule. I'm selecting these cells and go to the conditional formatting and clearing the rules. Again I had go to the equals to sign, and I have to find a certain number, a particular number. So I select 41.67. I just select a way and just click on the OK. So it's not highlighting. Why? Because there is fractional greater than 41.67 and some other values in the decimal places. So what I have to do, I will do it by a different way. 41.67, select any rule, just click on the OK, select the cells. I selected all the cells, and we will go to a new rule, conditional formatting. Select the cells and go to the conditional formatting, and I will go to the highlight and more rules. I will go to the more rules. Here I will select the cell value, and cell value equals to, and here I will drag the window and select the value I wanted. Just click on the cell, so it will take all the decimal places, and just click on the OK. So again I will go to the highlight more rules and cell value equals to, and select the value, cell value and the cell, and format I will provide it field blue and color white. Okay, so you can see here it will be highlighted like that. Now we will see the another rule. Select the values over here, Sanskrit, and go to the cell value equals to, just what I have to click, I click 40 and OK. You can see here 40 is highlighted. So I will select the cells and go to the conditional formatting. You can also apply filter over here to find out the number, the boy who got the 40 marks by color filter, not by short. I clearing the filter and select the value cells and clear the rules. Again we will select it and go to the another rule and conditional formatting, highlight cell rule and text that contain. So we have to select the alphabet. You can see here MAN. So you can see MAN in Hemant and Manish. Again I selected it. Go to the conditional formatting and clear the rule first. Then I will go to the text that contain NA, so near NA. Here we can sort out by a date of occurring, a date when the entry has been made. So I did it today, so all the value will be show today's date, and I will go to the duplicate value. I selected the cell for duplicate and I select the cell. Let's select the English column and go to the formatting and just click on the duplicate value, so it will showing all the duplicate value highlighted here. So it is 42 is highlighted over here. I will select the values and remove the rules. Again we have to select and go to the clear rule, conditional formatting, and we will find out the topper here. So let's select the percentage, and by percentage go to the conditional formatting and go to the top bottom rules and select the top rules. We don't need top 10, only top one guy highlighted over here. So the Mahendra Verma, we can also filter, apply filter here. So you can search by filter, drag down, deselect all, or can we search by color. So Mahendra Verma is the guy, and clear the rules. Again I will select and go to the clear rule. You can also find out the lowest pot from the bottom rule. So you can also use data coloring. Thanks for watching this video.